Hello students, today we are going to study about aluminum isopropoxide. Aluminum isopropoxide is good reducing agent. It reduces by transfer of hydride ions. Here we can see structure of the aluminum isopropoxide in which aluminum is bonded to the three isopropoxide ions. This is structure of aluminum isopropoxide. Let's talk about the uses of aluminum isopropoxide. First use is it is a specific reducing agent. It reduces carbonyl compounds to alcohol. For example, here RCOH in the presence of aluminum isopropoxide, it forms RCH2OH. Here our carbonyl compound is reduced to the CH2 group. Then second example is here crotonaldehyde. In the presence of aluminum isopropoxide, it converted into the crotyl alcohol. One thing that we have to notice is that this double bond is not converted into the single bond here. Our first sentence is specific, it is a specific reducing agent. That means it reduces only the carbonyl compounds without affecting other sensitive reducible groups. Here our double bond is a sensitive reducible groups. If other reducing agents here in place of aluminum isopropoxide is used, then this double bond is reduced into the single bond. That means here CH2 and here another CH2, CH3, CH2, CH2 is formed. But in case of aluminum isopropoxide, it is specific reducing agent, so it only convert carbonyl group into the CH2 group. That means it does not affect on the carbon-carbon double bond. Then we have to study mechanism. Let's talk about the mechanism of carbonyl compounds, or what will happen if aluminum isopropoxide is react with the carbonyl compound. Which mechanism takes place, we have to study about it. See here, this is our aldehyde plus aluminum isopropoxide, LOCH, here Me2 twice, and another O CH, Me and Me. Okay. Aluminum is electron deficient, so it takes electron from the oxygen like this. So here bond formation takes place like this. Here our R double bond as it is. Here Al OCH Me2 twice and O CH Me2. Then further, here positive charge, here negative charge. Then hydride ion transfer takes place like this, and this bond is break. Then reversible reaction is seen here like this. Our first product is here H, here our hydride ion, that means here also hydrogen, then O, Al, OCH Me2 twice, plus our acetone. Here acetone is formed here. Okay. Here we have to focus on the one thing. It is a reversible reaction. It is a reversible reaction. This reagent can also be employed for the oxidation of alcohols. The reverse reaction is known as opener oxidation. This reverse reaction is known as opener oxidation. The position of equilibrium can be controlled by the amount of acetone present. Here our acetone is formed. This acetone decide whether the reaction is carried forward or backward. Carried forward or backward. The equilibrium shifts forward on distilling out the acetone as it is formed. इसका मतलब एसीटोन जब भी तैयार होगा हमें उसे निकालना पड़ेगा. अगर हम उसे नहीं निकालेंगे तो यहाँ पे हमारी बैकवर्ड रिएक्शन होगी, यानी कि फिर से उसका ऑक्सीडेशन हो जाएगा और वो फिर से कीटोन में उसका कन्वर्जन हो जाएगा. एंड एक्सेस ऑफ एसीटोन फेवर्स टू द ऑक्सीडेशन रिएक्शन. ओके, देन in the presence of corresponding alcohol, that means here Me2CHOH, Me2CHOH, this our group is converted into our desired alcohol RCH2OH, and our reagent is recovered OCH Me2 thrice. Okay, our reagent is recovered. These metal alkoxide undergo rapid acid-base exchange with their corresponding alcohol, and our desired alcohol is formed. Hence here hydrogens for the reduction are supplied one each by the catalyst and solvent. Here our catalyst also provide hydride ion, and here this alcohol also provides hydride ion. So one confusion is that which hydride ion is transferred to the carbonyl compound. Hydride ion is transferred from the reagent to the carbonyl compound. It's proved by the fact that if we used Me2 in the place of this reagent, we used AlOCd (3), and here Me2 here Me2 3. The carbonyl, if we carried out this reaction, the result is formed. Our result is formed RCHD. Here our bond RCHD-OH. That means this D, यहाँ पर जो हमारा डी आया है, दैट मीन्स ड्यूटेरियम आइसोटोप्स ऑफ द हाइड्रोजन, वो हमारा रिएजेंट से ही आया है, ये इसकी वजह से प्रूव हो जाता है. दिस इंडिकेट्स दैट द रिएक्शन प्रोसीड्स बाय द साइक्लिक ट्रांजिशन स्टेट, एंड और हमारा जो हाइड्राइड आयन का जो ट्रांसफर होता है वो रिएजेंट से ही होता है, इसकी वजह से हमें ये पता चलता है. देन लेट्स टॉक अबाउट द एप्लीकेशंस of the aluminum isopropoxide. First application is Mirwin-Pondorf reaction. Here our carbonyl compound, that means ketone, in the presence of aluminum isopropoxide and alcohol, another alcohol, it converted into the secondary alcohol. Here reduction is occur. Then our aldehyde, in the presence of aluminum isopropoxide, it converted into the alcohol. Then here our also another carbonyl compound, conjugated carbonyl compound. Here reduction of the only carbonyl compound, carbonyl group takes place. That means here OH is formed. Aluminum isopropoxide does not react with this double bond. Then our second application is reduction of diaryl ketones to the hydrocarbons. As already we have already discussed that aluminum isopropoxide is a specific reducing agent, so it does not react with the double bond, or it does not reduce to the. Here reduction of diaryl ketone to the hydrocarbon takes place. Firstly, here OH is formed, but we know that the aromatic compound is more stable than any compound, so it undergoes the dehydration and the formation of our anthracene product takes place. This anthraquinone is converted into the anthracene. देन थर्ड एंड लास्ट एप्लीकेशन इज ओपनर ऑक्सीडेशन। इसके बारे में हमने मैकेनिज्म में भी पढ़ा है। दिस अल्कोहल इन द प्रेजेंस ऑफ एसीटोन इट कन्वर्टेड इनटू द आवर कीटोन। ओके, इसके बारे में हमने मैकेनिज्म नहीं पढ़ा था। यहाँ पे हमारा जो इंटरमीडिएट फॉर्म होता है, उस इंटरमीडिएट में हमारा एल्यूमिनियम का इंटरमीडिएट फॉर्म होता है। अगर हम उसमें से एसीटोन नहीं निकालेंगे तो ओपनर ऑक्सीडेशन हो जाएगा, यानी कि उसका फिर से उसका कन्वर्जन जो है कीटोन में हो जाएगा। इसमें क्या है, यहाँ पे हमारा अल्कोहल है इन द प्रेजेंस ऑफ आवर कीटोन एसीटोन एंड एल्यूमिनियम आइसोप्रोपोक्साइड इट कन्वर्टेड इनटू द कीटोन एंड आवर CH3 CHO CH3। दैट मीन्स इसका जो हो गया वो रिडक्शन और इसका हो गया ऑक्सीडेशन। तो ये था हमारा आज का रिएजेंट एल्यूमिनियम आइसोप्रोपोक्साइड। मिलते हैं अगली वीडियो में अगले किसी रिएजेंट के साथ। थैंक यू।